Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is to know how to create a gantt chart in Excel in few minutes. If you have a table like this and it contains activity names and we have the start date and duration, we want to create a bar chart in very simple steps. So first of all, we go to insert bar, then we choose the second one, stacked bar, and right click here, then select data, remove this one. We will add the start date and we'll add the values here, then OK. We will add again duration and this is the values, OK, then OK. And from horizontal axis we will check the activities, then OK. Now we remove this blue bar because it not represent the bar chart we want. So from format data series, from the fill, click no fill, then close. Now we have a bar chart showing the start and finish, and whenever anything changed here, we change in the bar chart automatically. Now we want to make it the reserve direction. So from format axis, we will make category in reserve order, then close, and that's it. And as you know, anything you change here will be changed in the bar automatically. Thank you very much.